tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Daniel, Tiger, and his family are camping out in the woods. Look behind the tree, Daniel. It's a deer and her fawn. Stand back. There is a skunk in that little cave, and we don't want to get sprayed. Today's adventure is on the gondola. They're going to ride up on this cable car and hopefully see some more animals down below. Daniel Tiger has his binoculars so he can see things far away, and Mum Tiger has packed water and snacks.
Oh, honey, don't worry. If you're scared, I'll stay down here with you while Daniel and Mom go up. Let me just go pay. I'll be right back. How many tickets would you like, sir? One child and one adult, please. Perfect. That will be $12.60. No problem. 11, 12, and $12.60. There you go. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful ride. Here it comes, Daniel. Make sure we stay behind the line. Hello, is it just the two of you? Yes, it is, thank you. Wonderful, you can step inside. I am just going to remind you to keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the ride at all times. Of course. Oh, this is going to be so fun, Daniel. Yeah. You go in first, Daniel. Okay. Here we go. Look over there. It's a beautiful waterfall. Wow, what a beautiful view from up here. Oh, and look, you can see your sister and your dad down there. Let's wave to them. Hi. Look, there's your mom and Daniel. Say hi. Hi. All right, time to go back down. Oh, that was so much fun. Well, baby Margaret, maybe one day when you're older, you will be brave enough to go up too. Yeah. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.